Tonight's dinner will be 2 medium pizza that we got from Papa John's. First is the zesty Italian pizza with a ranch dipping sauce and a pepperoncini. And next is the super Hawaiian with pineapple tidbits, cheese, and Canadian bacon. With, of course, ranch dressing and a pepperoncini. There you go, guys. Kain tayo. This is what's for dinner tonight. This is the scallops that we got frozen from Costco. I just thaw it in the refrigerator and then melt some butter and season the scallops with salt and pepper and just fry it for a few minutes on each side. And we are gonna pair it with a simple salad, caprese salad, minus the basil leaf. You could also use balsamic vinegar as dressing on top of your caprese salad, but all I did was added some salt, pepper, and olive oil. There you go, guys. This is what's for dinner. Kain tayo! Hi guys, tonight's dinner will be chicken and pork adobo. This is a classic Filipino dish wherein you can either make it with chicken or pork, but this time I combined the two. And then I boiled it in soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, garlic, and some other spices. And then we are gonna pair it with our quinoa. And then for side dish, this is Brussels sprouts from Costco. I just roasted it in a 420-degree oven with salt, pepper, and olive oil. There you go, guys. This is what's for dinner. Kain tayo. This is what's for dinner. This is my homemade bulgogi. I also made bulgogi soup with glass noodles with some bulgogi meat and tofu. And we are gonna pair it with brown rice basmati. There you go, guys. Kain tayo. This is what's for dinner. This is my leftover beef bulgogi. And we are gonna pair it this time with red quinoa. There you go, guys. Kain tayo.